Hi guys, today let's review this beautiful Chinese ink brush painting style, Lotus flower. This canvas art came with the three pieces. The first one is Lotus flower bud. You can see this is quite detailed, almost very mimic the traditional way of Chinese brush painting. You can see all the ink passing through the first one. The second one is actually the blossom lotus flower. This is representing middle of the summer. You can even feel the summer atmosphere right from this middle panel. The last one, which is very interesting, is a combination of a full blossom flower and the little flower bud. It's this beautiful painting style. It's a traditional way to representing the Oriental or Chinese culture. Lotus note had a special meanings, not only the Chinese culture, but also in Buddhism. Some special meaning with peaceful harmony. Now I'm going to show you how do I handle it in my home. I did not use the installation kit come with this canvas art. I just using my own. I purchased from Walmart. It's very simple pin, just clips hang on the wall. If you look at the back side of those paintings, you can see this is hand stitches. They pay attention to the detail. The whole set is very light, so that's why you don't have any problem just hanging on those pin on the wall. So the size is 24 inches. This is 13-inch long and 24-inch wide. They come with three pieces. My recommendation is you don't have to put them together side by side. Just leave some gap. Then that makes things even more beautiful. Look at all the brushes, all the textures, all the details from the pen. It's just like the real one. And this is a canvas painting, so it lasts longer. This one has been purchased for 4 years, still in good shape. I really like it. So 5 star from me. Thank you.